Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to guide you through redeeming a Minecraft Java Edition code. So if you have a gift card or a redeem code, follow the steps to claim your game. First, go to the redemption page. You need to open minecraft.net in your web browser. You can also directly go to minecraft.net/redeem, or you can go to its official website, scroll all the way down, and you'll get the option of redeem under the account section. Go ahead and select it, and this will take you to the redeem page. And this is where you enter the code. Sign into your Microsoft account you want to use for playing Minecraft. It's crucial to use the correct account as your game will be permanently linked to it. Then enter your redeem code right here. Carefully type the redeem code from your gift card or the store receipt into the provided box, and then enter the redeem button right here. Review your details and click on confirm to complete the redemption process. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.